and today how to do a couple different commands. So today I actually have a couple commands set up. I just thought that right there would be cool, showing you like, today I'm going to show you how to do some commands. So I have a couple of them set up over here. I'm going to show you guys the /give, and enchant. I'm going to show you how to color the item names. And then and I have one more too. I'm going to show you how to switch game modes through all of this through command blocks. I think command blocks are one of my favorite things in the game, actually. Oops. I think command blocks are one of my favorite things because they give a lot more meaning to Minecraft. You can do a lot more with command blocks than you can do in vanilla. But over here we have this, the end. This will have, what fun would the video be without an explosion? So in here we've got some flint and steel. This will be at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is how to use the /give command through command blocks. So what you're going to do, you have to be in creative for this. And that's why I actually had this command block over here, set game mode 1 for me. Because all you have to type is game mode 1 and then the @p. @p means target the nearest player. So whoever's closest to this button when it's pressed, it will set them to creative mode. See, it says set Blockster742's game mode to creative. It'll do the same exact thing if you said game mode S. It will set my game mode to survival mode. Now, you cannot click on command blocks if you didn't know in survival mode. So I got to set this back to creative. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the /give command. As I said, you have to be in creative to do this. And you're going to want to go into the command block. You're going to just right click on it. And in here you will see a blank space right here. And what you're going to want to type is you're going to want to type /give. Now you could type the slash or without it. Either way it works. And then you're going to want to type @p for the closest person to the button who presses it. And you're going to want to type an item name. Say you want to give the closest player a wooden sword. You would type wood _sword and then a number for however many. So let's say I want 64. And I'm going to place a button on there. You have to shift click because otherwise we'll go into the command block. I'm going to click it. Okay. Actually, I don't think that you can get 64. So, okay. Why is this not working? Oh my gosh. I think it's broken. Let me try a different item. Okay, so let's go for... Actually, let me try typing that differently. I might have had to type like that. Yep, okay. So here we have a wooden sword it will give you. Now if I typed 64 in here, I can't believe I messed that up. It's going to give me 64 wood swords and fill my inventory. So I'm going to toss that out, I'm going to toss that out, I'm going to delete everything. Oops. Well, this will give me a better chance to show you how to get command blocks. So the way you're going to want to get command blocks is you're going to want to type in the chat, you're going to want to type / and then give your name. Mine is Blockster7742. And you're going to type command _block. And it'll give you one command block. Okay. That's how you get them. So if you end up using these, make sure you type that to get them. Otherwise, you can't just get them out of the creative inventory. They're not in here. So that's how that give command works. You could type, for instance, you could also type like steak, and it'll give me. Actually, I think it's making me capitalize. Oh my gosh. I don't think like certain things won't work right. I mean, you have to get the item ID right, otherwise it'll mess up. But you get the basic idea. You might want to look up on the internet or something what the item IDs are for 1.8. But basically, you're just gonna want to type the item name. Wooden sword is my example, and it'll give you 64 wooden swords. Wooden swords. Okay. On to the next one. So, the way this one works is if you want to, say you're making a kit for a friend on a server, you're going to want to get them enchanted armor and stuff. So, this is also, I'm sorry, I meant to change the sign a little bit. It's supposed to say /give and enchant and name. So you're going to be able to name items and you're going to be able to enchant them all in the same command block. So the way you're going to want to do this is you're going to start out with the same kind of command as the last time. Give @player. My example is going to be wooden sword again. We go 1 and then 0. The 1 is however many you want. I'm not quite sure what the 0 is, but it won't work without it. You're going to type that and then display. This is going to be for the name. You're going to want to type another one of these, and you're going to type name. Make sure you capitalize the N, otherwise it won't work. So you're going to type display name, 2 dots, and then those, and you're going to type whatever name you want. So let's go OP sword. Okay, and you're going to put another one, and that. Okay, and then after you have this right here, if you wanted to just keep it like this, if you didn't want any enchant, you would put that again, and you're going to do that, and I believe OP sword, okay? So if you want just that, this command will work for you right here. But if you don't want that and you want custom enchant, you're going to type the comma, just not full enchant, but just ENCH, and then type that. The way I always think of this is I think of that first little one's like a frowny face, and then a mustache. That's how I think of it, to help me remember. And then you're going to type ID, this is the enchant ID, and then whatever the enchant ID for what your enchantment is. You might want to look this up on the internet if you don't know any of them. One of the ones I know the most is 16, it's sharpness. You're going to type the comma and then the level of it. The highest you can go up, I'm pretty sure, is like 9,000 or something. And then you're going to want to type another one of those. And if you want just this enchantment, you're going to want to type that and then that, just like that. That's only going to give you sharpness 1,000. So it says OP sword. Yeah, it has sharpness 1,000 and it does 11,254 attack damage. So if you're trying to troll your friends and they're like, all I have is a wood sword, and you just go around and one-shot everybody. It's awesome. Done it before, it works. Okay, next, if you want more enchantments than that, you're going to want to type another comma, and then that, ID, and let's go 19, that's knockback, and we're going to type level 1,000. No, let's just go 100 on this one. So let's go, and then you just type that again, and it will give you, oops, didn't mean to click on the command block. It will give you sharpness 9,000 and knockback 1,000. 100, sword. It will do 11,000 damage. It's super OP. I'm going to test it out in a second. I will spawn the wither, and I will test it out. But first, I'm going to show you guys next how to color item names through command blocks. So the way you're going to want to do this one's a lot simpler than the other ones. You're just going to want to /give @p, and then, let's see, I'm going to use wooden sword as my examples for this. You can do this with any item. You could enchant carrots or whatever. You can enchant whatever you want. But the way that I like to do it is I'm just using this as my example. And you're going to type give @player wooden sword. And you're going to type name. This is a lot simpler, but I don't know how to, you can't enchant it through this. You're going to type name, and then that, and then this. And then you're going to want to type, the way you're going to want to color this, the way you color this is you're going to type the and symbol and then a number, and the number IDs, the color IDs, you can go on the forums and look at them. There's a lot of them. I don't know all of them. I know that there's 1 through 9 are all the colors. So I'm just going to use 2 as an example. And then if you type, let's see, just boss sword, and then that, it's going to give you a sword. It's going to give me a sword. Really? Is it not going to want to do it for me? I'm not getting it up here, am I? Do I have to type / now? Okay, let's try that again. Apparently it hates me. I don't think it's working right. But, okay. we're going to want to type @2 @L. I know that if you type the number letter and then this and then L, it'll give you, it'll be bolded. So L means bolded. But let's just boss. Is it? I don't know why this isn't working. Oh, I know why. You have to put the 0. I totally forgot to put that. Okay. Now it should give me it. I don't. Oh, you might. You know what? I'm an idiot. I think you have to type these at the ends. Totally messing up here. Okay. I'm very confused. I'm sorry, people out there who thought this would help you, but this is my fail attempt. My fail attempt. She's probably gonna say fail up top of the screen right here, but I don't know why this isn't working. This totally works. I know because I've done it before. There's something wrong. I don't know what it is though. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to hold off on the color item name for now. But the next thing I want to show you, I'm actually just gonna go time day. Oops, sorry. Time set day. I'm so used to servers where they just have plugins that like make it faster to type, so you can just type /time day. It'll set it as a easier way. But as you saw in the beginning, it has titles. I'm gonna show you how to do these titles. So the way I did this one, it says you. I just have title @A for that means that it's gonna target all players. So it'll say it on every single player's screen in your game. So and then you're gonna type title again, and then this right here, then this, and then text, and then the 2 dots, and then whatever, and the like text things, and then the whatever you want to say, then a comma, color, and then whatever color you want, and then those right there. And that's just how I did it on all of these, except I just did different colors to make it look better. And I just have these on a separate signal that'll just make them do them one after another. But I think that after doing this, I'm super disappointed why that one didn't work. Maybe I mean, I do all this stuff on a lot of servers I play on, so maybe, I'm not sure. I didn't think it was a plugin, but it might have been a plugin that the servers had. So, what we're going to do is do this, because I've been waiting for this the whole episode. So let's jump on top. I'm actually going to go game mode 1 right here, because I want to experience it in full light. So we're just going to, like, break in, and then just light it. I mean, light. I love air! I just lagged so bad. The lag. Oh yeah, and by the way, command blocks don't break with explosions. You have to break them. And this is a massive crater. This crater is enormous. It's amazing. I love destruction. I love destruction. But anyways, guys, I'm going to leave the episode off here. I will hopefully see you next time. I said that weird. I will hopefully see you next time. Make sure to leave a like on the video. Definitely subscribe for more content. And I will see you guys later.